What up guys, you're lining with the White Trini, and today we are going to show you how we're gonna cure a ham, our version. So let's get to it. Okay, it's time to prep the ham. So I cut off a little bit of the fat and stuff here from our ham, and it had stubbles, so I used the brand new disposable razor, and I went ahead and, scraped it off, shaved it off. And now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna score it or scour it, however you wanna call it. So I'm just gonna take a knife. You gotta really have a sharp knife too. No, I don't want anybody getting any ideas here. I know it's like a stabbing motion, but I don't know. Maybe if you're a little, want to take some frustration out on the ham, have at it. There's a little water built down there in the bottom, so I don't want it to splash up. Flip it over and do the same on this side. Hopefully I don't hit no bone. So last time, I'm not sure if we did a video, guys, but last time we did a ham, it was amazing. We cured our own ham and we were so surprised at how well it came out, how good it tastes. Everyone that even tasted it said, wow, that's like, it was really good. Like, we were blown away. So we said, from now on, we do a ham, we're gonna do our own ham, or try not to buy ham, but sometimes we still buy ham. All right, so that's done. Now, we're gonna add in some salt. But before I start adding the salt, we have a big Rubbermaid container here. I'm not sure how many ounces this is, guys, but it's huge. It's a 30-quart storage tote. Now, a lot of times, last time we did our ham in this when we cured it. We also usually use this big tote or tub, whatever you wanna call it, to brine our turkey too for Thanksgiving. So it's always, helpful to have something like this around. But I know you don't use it all the time, but this is what you need. So we are going to use, ingredient-wise, some garlic, some hot peppers from Trinidad. Those habaneros. I'm gonna toss these in now, all right? So that's some of the ingredients. There's a handful of garlic. We're going to drop in our allspice, or pimento, whatever you call it, but only half of this. This is like 0.5 ounce, so about half of this is gonna go in. If I can get it open here. There we go. All right. I'll drop in about half of that. A little bit more. There. Okay. And also gonna drop in some whole cloves. It's not a full container. It's actually only about like 1/4 of a container, but however much you guys want to do. Again, this is our version. Sometimes our version, we tweak it as we go. We experiment, we have fun, we add in other ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the cloves in, boom, boom. All right, so as you can see, everything's swimming there. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna show you guys the next step, so stay tuned, all right? You don't wanna miss it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some more ingredients for doing our ham, for curing our ham. So this is the curing mix that we bought off of Amazon. It's about $13. Last time the packaging was a little different, but we ordered it last year. So this is what it looks like. Instacure #1. This is for making smoked sausage, ham, or bacon. All right, it's like a 16-ounce package. So we are going to use this, but also want to let you guys know, when you're brining, the amounts vary based on recipes and methods. So for this, for our ham, we are going to, which consists of this, the 3-ounce Instacure, we need to use 1 pound of salt and 1.5 ounce sugar per 1 gallon of water. So inside our tub here, where you guys saw earlier, is 3 gallons of water, okay? So we already measured out our sugar. It's a little bit of a mix with white sugar and brown sugar, but hey, whatever, it's sugar, right? So this is approximately 3/4 cup? But that's what it says, 6 ounces. So this is 6 ounces. So it's basically 1.5 ounce sugar per gallon. We did 3 gallons. So that is,
We put a little extra.
We put a little extra, nothing wrong with that, a little sweetness more. So I'm gonna dump that in, right? Kind of just plopped in there. I'm actually just gonna take this spoon and stir that around a little bit in there. So the sugar, you know, kind of mixes in there well. As you can see, the color is changing now because we're adding in some stuff, some sugar. All right, I'm gonna take this out only because I don't want to drop in there. Just put it in the bowl there. So the 1.5 ounce sugar per 1 gallon in the water. So keeping this ratio, make enough to submerge the meat during the curing time. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our salt. So we need 3 pounds of, you know, regular salt. So each cup is 8 ounces, guys. So we need 6 of this. So we go ahead and it's gonna take a while because the salt is, it's kind of like an hourglass.
Why don't you just cut the top off?
I could do that, I'm just not used to, might end up using the whole container anyways. Okay. So that is 8 ounce, so there's 1.
So how much of that you're gonna need?
We need 6.
Okay.
So I think we got enough salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to keep adding in our salt. So 6 of those, and I'll show you the next step in a few. Okay, so we already did our 3 pounds of salt. We added into our tub here. As you can see, it's getting fuller, the colors. This is our what do you want to call it? Instacure pink salt, I guess you call it, or pink curing salt. So this is 9 ounces here, guys. We're gonna add this in now. And then we gotta stir this up real good. All right. So after I stir this up real good, then we'll go ahead and drop in our ham. But guys, I highly suggest try making your own ham. Trust me, it's well worth it. You are not gonna wanna buy a lot of the store stuff. I mean, some stuff stores sell is good, but some stuff, honestly, no offense stores, is crap. So trust me, do this, guys, and you'll love it. You'll say, I never wanna buy a store ham again. So good, so good. Definitely Shy Girl would approve. Thumbs up, right, Shy Girl?
Mm-hmm. Thumbs up.
All right, so I'm gonna stir this, and we'll come back to you guys in a bit when we're gonna drop the ham in. Look at all the pepper floating away. With a little TNT, we added some hot peppers, right? So you saw that, but we're gonna add in a little something else. Bam, some punchin'. Only a little bit, guys. We're not going overboard. You can see there's a little bit left in there. I just want to get rid of the bottle. So we're going to dump that in there. So some fire water in the water. Drop all that in there. Ta-da! Look at the magic. Dang, you see I poured that in there and all the hot peppers went, it went like all the way to the ends. Like, they didn't want to get drunk. So I'm just give that a quick little stir. And we're set to go. You can add now, guys, as much hot peppers as you want. Now that's a little Trini twist, the hot peppers. You can, and the punchin', by the way. You can add more sugar if you want to be a little bit sweeter. Experiment, but you guys see, we didn't do it exactly this way last time. So, but either way, I know it's gonna last, guys. All right, time to drop the ham. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna show you the ham, right? You've seen the process. Now you're gonna see the rest of the process come Thanksgiving Day when we complete it, as far as taking it out and, you know, having that all ready and baking it, etc., guys. So here we go. It's time for our ham to take a bath. So I'm just gonna raise this up. I'm just gonna drop it in. Do not throw it in, guys, okay? And be careful because, you know, your spouse is gonna kill you if you make a mess. I know I don't wanna make a mess, just, you know, go down slow with it. As you can see, look at the water raising up, right? And actually it's floating, look at that. I'm pushing it down, but it's actually floating. That should be good, all right? So it's swimming, guys. All right, well, we're gonna let our ham swim away. Check back with us in a little bit, all right? Which will be days from now, Thanksgiving Day. All right, so stay tuned and we'll see the final results on our ham.
Hi, good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. This is the second part to the ham process. So we scored the top of the skin a little bit. We took it out the brine. It's been how many days, White Trini?
5 or 6. Happy
Days.
Thanksgiving. Good morning.
And yeah, so I'm gonna put it in this pan. I'm gonna wrap it with foil, and then we're gonna put it on the grill outside to cook for about 5 hours. We'll keep checking it, and then I'll make a base for it. All right, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Shy Girl said so. Check out the ham. So Shy Girl took the foil off and she just put a little glaze on it. She made this glaze with like a ghost pepper, honey, and I'm not sure what else she put in it. But a really nice glaze. This is gonna go down nice, and it's been slowly just cooking on the grill on low. So now she wants to flip it and put some of the glaze on the other side. Sample piece.
Oh, my day, sample.
Or would it be cooked?
Mm-hmm. This is already done.
Do you want to sample the house?
Yeah, got some pieces.
Hot.
Wow, that just looks so juicy, doesn't it?
So here we have some of the ham that's cut up. All right, so that's the gist on how we do the ham and prepare it. Unfortunately, I didn't do any final results on the ham because it kind of coincided with the Thanksgiving video. So guys, apologize, but that's how we do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video.